This luxury villa was built in the 15th century by the Machiavelli family. Villa Machiavelli offers 9 individually designed suites, with facilities such as a swimming pool, unique sculpture gardens and breathtaking views of the Duomo. Guests of Villa Machiavelli can also enjoy the Nadushka Spa, for the ultimate experience in tranquility and pampering, for mind, body and spirit, including a state-of-the-art steam room and sauna. Set within 600 acres of flourishing vineyards and olive groves, in the winemaking region on Chianti Classico, Villa Machiavelli's idyllic settings and surroundings create the perfect backdrop for a Tuscan wedding, unforgettable holiday or an exclusive rental.